Okay, so this is a quick tutorial on how to complete a Santa Clara Family Health Plan booking in the updated version of the driver app. So my driver here has received a designated booking. As you can see, the offer screen now shows the amount, pickup, destination, vehicle type, and distance to the pickup from the driver's current position. So once the driver accepts the booking, you can see that the map begins to navigate him to the pickup address where his fare is located. You can see the job details kind of tuck into the bottom of the screen. To review those job details, simply swipe up from the bottom of the screen. You can see the pickup address, the return job button underneath that in case the driver decides, he doesn't actually want to pick up the fare, changes his mind. You can return the job to dispatch. You can see all of the job details, including account type. And when you've arrived at the pickup, simply mark arrived by tapping arrived. And now you can see a no-show button appears underneath the pickup address in case the member is a no-show. When the member is on board, just mark the passengers on board to progress the trip and begin navigation to the drop-off location. And as you can see again, iCabby just automatically starts to navigate you there. There's no reason to manually initiate that. And when you arrive at your drop-off, swipe up again and trip, proceed, and then proceed again on the fare summary screen, and that should effectively clear your job.